Hello, I am Jody Peshek, the proud principal of Omaha South High Magnet School. I'm so excited to talk to our incoming ninth grade students and the future 2025 graduates from Omaha Public Schools. All of the high schools in Omaha Public Schools offer a wonderful variety of academic and social and athletic opportunities. They're all great schools. You really can't go wrong. However, I'm here to tell you why South High is really special as well. So, at South High School, we've had a long tradition of academic excellence as well as a strong sense of community. So, though we're a larger school, our dedicated and caring staff at South, they strive to connect with each student and provide opportunities and experiences that will help them be successful in school, in college, in their future career, and in life. So we have their array of honors courses, advanced placement courses, dual enrollment, activities, athletics, clubs, all kinds of things that you can get involved with to enrich your experience in high school. And we hope that you do. We really do. South High specifically is a magnet for visual and performing arts, for information technology and media arts, and for dual language. We have, though, something special for our ninth graders. We have freshman academies that you'll all be involved with, and they've been set up to provide some additional supports and opportunities to ease that transition into high school and to learn about our magnet programs and to see what path you'd like to go down, and study further. So if, let's say, you're looking at visual and performing arts, so if you're an artist or if you're interested in vocal or instrumental music, we have your traditional bands and orchestras and choirs and wonderful experiences and performance opportunities. But we also do some unique ones such as piano, guitar. We have a full dance program as well. So you might be interested in drama or filmmaking. All of that would be available for you at South High School. Another focus would be the technology and media arts. This would include maybe opportunities for app development, web design, gaming, cybersecurity. That list is quite long as well. The last focus is our dual language program, and we're really proud to have the largest dual language program, high school program in any school in the state of Nebraska. So that is pretty great opportunity. When you think of any career path you may want to go down, being bilingual will be an incredible asset to have. So we hope to see you at our virtual live open house, and that will be held on January 14th from 6 to 8 p.m. We will be providing some links at the district webpage for open house so you can know how to connect with the event. And just super excited to share. We have multiple staff members from each one of our departments that will be available to talk with you all live. So I hope to see you then, and go Packers!